Welcome, beautiful soul, to this powerful meditation for multidimensional liberation and reclaiming your divine sovereignty. In this guided session, we'll gently move beyond limitations, clear old energies, and activate your infinite potential. We'll explore grounding, energetic clearing, and abundance activation, ultimately anchoring into a timeline that reflects your highest self. If you're seeking inner peace, healing, and a deeper connection to your true power, then this is the perfect meditation for you. Join me now, take a deep breath, and let's begin this transformative journey together. Begin with 3 deep breaths, visualizing sacred geometry in your mind's eye. Allow the geometry to be whatever shape resonates most with you: a circle, a flower, a star, anything that feels right. Grounding and recognition all right. Let's take a deep breath in, pause for breath. And as you breathe out, just gently acknowledge these truths within yourself. I am right here, right now, in this eternal moment. This is the only space where true power resides. I am present. I recognize I'm so much more than this physical body. I'm a multidimensional being of infinite potential and capability. Pause for a few seconds of silence. This body, this beautiful human form, is my vessel. It's what carries me, but that isn't who I am, not completely. Slight, gentle pause. Romans 2. Clearing and releasing, now with a gentle authority, with the wisdom of your highest self, let's declare these things into existence. All debts, all debts, whether it's financial, karmic, or even just old energy, they are cleared. Gone, finished, all past timelines, they are purified. All the stuff that felt unfinished, healed and transformed. All old agreements and contracts that no longer resonate, dissolved and released. Let them go. Pause any attachments, whether to people or ideas or things, simply release gently and with love. Slight pause, all lower vibrations. Any feelings of heaviness, negativity that don't feel true, they are transmuted into light now. Let's envision the year of Jubilee 2025 as a powerful turning point, a time of real, genuine freedom. For you, for the people in your life, for everyone who's open and willing, imagine a beautiful golden light. See it dissolving any and all blockages that you're holding onto. Let it be easy. Pause. Romans 3. Protection and empowerment. You are completely, totally embraced by pure, unconditional love of the source of the universe. Speak gently, like sharing a secret. Feel that love surrounding you, creating this incredibly strong field. A field that dissolves anything that doesn't feel like your best self on contact. Any negative energy, it returns energy to its natural, beautiful state. This field that you're wrapped in, that you're created, this protects your sovereign space and strengthens your own creative power. Feel that protective field establishing around you and filling you up. Romans 4. Abundance activation now. Let's activate the freedom and abundance that is your birthright. Let's welcome them in. I now embody the freedom to travel anywhere, without limitations, both inside and out. The ability to access any resource, any assistance you need easily and comfortably. The passion and drive to pursue any worthy dream. Anything you truly wish to create. The clarity of mind to recognize divine timing, those little moments, those synchronicities, the universe's way of guiding you. And the deep, heartfelt wisdom to truly appreciate each and every experience, knowing each has its own teaching to share. Imagine these states as already true, already real. Pause. V. Alchemical declaration. You have your own inner power to be a divine alchemist, turning the base into something beautiful and valuable. Speak with a bit more energy here. You are transforming limitation into potential. You're taking struggle and turning it into strength, channeling energy, that creative energy you feel rising up into action. You can manifest a thought, a vision, into reality. Transmuting the darkness that may reside into something full of love and light. Feel that alchemical power building. Pause. VI. Timeline optimization. Let's consciously step into the highest and best version of your life. Let's envision what's truly meant for you. I'm choosing to step into my highest timeline, where all my abilities, all my innate talents are fully activated, where they just work and they flow easily, where resources, both internally and externally, are plentiful and accessible, where your relationships are supportive, loving, and meaningful, where they bring you happiness, where everything I create is aligned to the highest good for myself and for the world around me, and where every experience, even the challenging ones, brings immense joy and expansion. Take a moment to sense the shift into this new reality. Pause. Romans 7. Present moment, anchoring right here in this timeless, eternal now. Let's simply accept these truths as fully real. I am free. I am sovereign. I am powerful. I am creative. Short pause, and I am simply love, embodied, made manifest. Let those truths sink into your very being with every breath. Pause, Roman 8, creation commitment. As we come back to more focused awareness, let's carry these understandings with us as we go through our day. Each breath expands my potential. Every thought, every visualization has the ability to shape my reality. Every single action, no matter how small, serves the great creation. Every moment is an opportunity, it's a choice, it's a clean slate, a new beginning, and every experience, no matter the intensity, brings the gift of growth and the opportunity for evolution. Begin to bring your awareness back to the physical body now, gently. Pause, closing affirmation. Now speak this firmly, confidently. I am the alchemist, I am the creator. I am here to heal, to transmute, and to create anew, and so it is. Take 3 deep breaths to gently close this meditation.